right ahead showing you guys exactly what you can achieve with this wig. I took it off my head and I decided to show you guys how quick and easy you can put that on. As long as you follow my method, you'll be able to look like this. So let me show you what came in their packaging. They only had like a few stuff, so I feel like I should still show you guys. I am using this wig cap today. It's really thin. They put some lashes because they always be putting lashes, and a headband. So this is how the hair looks. Super gorgeous. So if you want to look like this, let me show you my trial and error. Okay, so starting off, you're gonna go in with your gummy wax. I'm putting that all over my hairline. This is gonna make sure that I don't lose any of my edges. I know my edges are gone when my white hair in the front disappears. So make sure you guys are brushing your edges back. You can use any edge control that you like. Just don't skip this step. And since it's a closure, I'm just brushing the top part back, and then the side areas, I'm swooping it just to give me a little bit of like illusion that it's my hair, even though it's a totally different texture. And then I'm going to show you guys the lace. This is how the lace look. It is pre-cut, but if you don't prefer it being like this, I'm gonna show you how I did it the next day. But this is the first day. We're gonna install it exactly how it comes. And I did wash it, and I did not put any product on it. I just washed it and then brushed it out and left it to air dry. So this is how the lace looks. It's like a transparent type of lace. The hairline is a more squiggly type of hairline, but we're gonna fix that, so no worries. This wig does not come with any combs, so it's super comfortable. And I did not put the headband in, so now I'm going to do that. This is the headband. I'm gonna just put it inside the wig. This wig is very breathable, so if you're planning to go on vacation or just in general you want something really comfortable, I recommend that you guys get this wig. It's very comfortable. I'm going to put on my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color 14. You guys know the drill. If you watch my channel, I do this every time. So I'm going to tone my wig cap with this color, and then I'm going to wipe my skin with some alcohol. And I'm using my Wonderlace, Ebin Wonderlace Skin Protectant. This should help for your wig to last longer. It's going to help control sweat and help the adhesive to adhere better. I'm putting the wig on, and this is how it's looking. I did put some of that foundation on the lace, but you can see it's still not blended yet. So I decided to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, and it was not doing any justice. So I went in with some spritz and the foundation again and tried to touch it up a bit. But the hairline was a little bit thin, so it was giving me like bald vibes. So you guys are gonna see, this is my trial and error. So if you're doing this right now, you're gonna see a total difference. Like if this looks like how your wig looks, just stay tuned or just skip to like 6 minutes into the video and you'll see how I fix the wig. So I end up just cutting the hair, and then I hot comb it back. And then I went in with my Ebin Lace Wonder spray, and I just put one layer because I wasn't planning on leaving this wig, and this wig is already glueless, so I really did not need to do this step. But I'm going in with some spritz as well, putting that right on top. Okay, and you guys can see my reaction. Like, I knew something was wrong. I knew I hated how the wig turned out, but I was in a rush and I was actually going somewhere this day, and I was just feeling so like wrong. Like, my hair just looks so ugly. So I'm gonna show you guys how I fixed it. You can see me staring at myself a lot because I just knew something was wrong. So this is the next day, and I did just wash the wig, the hairline. I washed the hairline out, and then I'm going to put it back on. You can see it looks exact same. So I'm going to go back in with that same foundation and the spritz combo. That just helps for the foundation to not transfer. And it looks so good. Like, it looks better than yesterday, but I still need to customize it a little bit to make it nice. So you can see this is how the hairline is looking. I'm brushing the hairs back because I really need to customize the lace just a little bit. And this is how the lace is looking. You can see that squiggly line. And my footage deleted from me cutting it, but you can see I cut it about 1/2 inch back. And it looks so good. So now I have to go and re-customize the edges. So I'm doing 2 big C shapes on my temple area on both sides. Then I'm going in with my tweezers and just lightly plucking until it looks natural. You can see it looks very, very dense. So you want it to look natural. Don't pluck in one spot too long. And right here, I'm just taking out a little bit on my forehead because I wanted to have like a swoop widow's peak type of thing. And I just cut it with my scissors, nothing special. And then I'm taking my pencil flat iron and I'm going to curl this going backwards. All the products I use is always in my description box in the Amazon storefront thing. So you can check that out. And this time I did not use any ebony spray. So this is purely glueless. You did not need to use any spray. Just kind of customize the lace a little bit. I'm just curling everything up and away from my face. Should look like this. Now I'm going to trim it down with my eyebrow razor. Then I'm going to go in with the spritz again. I'm going to use my finger this time to put it on the roots. And then I'm going to use my edge brush to swoop. You want to swoop in a C shape. You can see me like curving the brush like a C. And that's basically all you have to do. Just take your time, go back and forth, doing little C shapes. I'll leave it to play out so you guys can watch what I do.
I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose, but I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets they be thinking you're a lady, but at home, if you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets when it's dark out and come home, blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No. 24 hours. Lately I've been thinking about us. About you as real as they come. But you would rather be on them drugs. I would rather hang with my thugs. Fuck when you been draining me out. You know that, you know that well. When I throw that, better kiss it before I go. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day.
And then once it looks like this, you want to just give it a little tie. I didn't even tie it for long. I tied it for 5 minutes. Well, less than 5 minutes. And you should end up with something like this. And that's basically how I got my hair to look this way. I used some 𝐻𝐿𝐻 elastic hair gel. I don't know if I told you guys that. That's all I used. A little bit of water. And yeah, this is Reshine Hair. I will leave all the links down below in my description box. Any coupon codes or anything like that will be down there as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out my video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. I will be having giveaways coming up soon where I'm giving away the wigs in the videos, because I just feel like it's only right. If you can't afford it, or you know, you just watch my videos and you love the wigs that I have, I will be giving them away soon. So make sure you guys like and comment so I can see you supporting my channel still, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.